Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you a layout that was done with one of the Jen Hadfield collections or kits that I made from the different pads that I had of hers. And anyhow, I had told my friend, I said, I'm never going to have a flamingo paper or photo because I said, I've been to Florida, I've been different places, and I never ever see a flamingo. And anyhow, she said, she gets on her phone and she starts texting her daughter-in-law, and they had done this flocking for a fundraiser. And so anyhow, she had one photo of her granddaughter. Well, it was her daughter, but I mean it's Sandy's granddaughter. Okay, my friend. But anyhow, so she had one picture, her daughter-in-law did. And so anyhow, she got that. I took over the kit and we worked on this together. We used the floral, of course, the flamingo paper, and she called it Building Character, and it says Flocking at Night with Your Mom Builds Character, and it was for the fundraiser. We had the flamingo paper clips, the lead alpha from there. These were added. I told her we could add. I said we had to abide by the rules. So I said you could add thickers if you wanted to, and photo corners and enamel dots. So she found these photo corners that had the green stripes on them, which I think really kind of brings in some of the greens. And we have these pink rhinestones, the brads, and this one has a camera on it. We have one that says hello. We have one with the daisy, one that looks like the inside of a kiwi to me, and a floral. And then there was this floral in a vase, and I had made these, the little flags, and so we put those in there, and I love how that looks. I can't wait to do that again. And we used one of the little 2x2s, and this one says Let's Flamingo. And then one of the frames, the flamingos, of course. And I love how it turns out. Basically did the block, and I love how it turned out. I will have close-ups at the end, but I'll kind of do this, and hopefully you can kind of see it good there. But I will have close-ups at the end. And then the things that we had left over, we had a full sheet of this. It's kind of like a tangerine color. 2 of the flamingo tags. 2 strips from the flamingo paper. Of course, the border strips or branding strips. About a package and a half of these alphas. The doily. 2 little vases of flowers. These labels. Another one of the frames, a little tag that says rewind, because I thought it would be used, for vacation. 5 of the little wood veneers, and didn't get to use the bicycle even though we tried, and the little shaker thing. I don't know, I'm just thinking maybe these things would not hold up in the book, so I doubt if I'm gonna try putting them in there. But I thought it turned out adorable, and I will save, I'm saving everything like it is, because maybe I'll try to use it again, and then I will show you if I use it again. And otherwise I'll maybe blend them back together again and kind of divide them up again, because there's been a few where I still have full sheets of paper in there, but I love how they're going. I do have another one coming up this week, and I'd like to thank you for watching. Remember, if you like it, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And I hope you try some of your Jen Hadfield collections, because I know a lot of us bought them when they were at Tuesday morning. So have fun scrapbooking. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.